Hello, in this video we learn about flow layout in Applet. We already learned about layout manager and their types. Refer the video description. Flow layout is a default layout similar to Flow in text editor. Similar to Flow in text editor, you can type the word from left to right or right to left, etc. The default constructor for flow layout is flow layout with center alignment, and horizontal and vertical space between AWT component space is 5 pixel. Default is 5 pixel. The another constructor flow layout init alignment and horizontal space and vertical space. We can assign the pixel of horizontal space and vertical space between the AWT component. Now the alignment property for flow layout. First one is left, align component to the left. Then right, it align component to the right. And center, it align component to the center. Leading, it will be at the leading edge of container to the left for the left to right orientations. And trailing, it will be at the trailing edge of container. Now let us see with one small example for flow layout. The applet import java.aw.star for using the AWT component buttons. We should import this package, import java.aw.star. For applet, we should import this package, import java.applet.star. Then the class name public class. The applet class name should be public. Public class name extends applet. We create the button for the sake of example only. Button L1, L2 for 10, 11 button we use. Then public void init. The public void init method only we set the layout. We set the layout in void init method. Normally we set the layout for the applet in the public void init method using the set layout method. And we initiate the flow layout. New flow layout and the alignment flow layout dot left and the alignment flow layout dot left, and we create the list of button. List of button from first to 11 button, and we add the buttons in the applet window using add method, and we add the buttons using add method. If you hide this, the button 1 will not be displayed in the applet. If you want to add in the applet, you should use this add method. The add method will add this button in the applet window. Now we compile this program. Then run this program. Applet your class name sampleflow.java. The applet window is open. The orientation is flow layout dot left. So the applet window, the AWT components are display from left to right. If you try to change this orientation, for example, right, before saving this, I show this left to right. After saving this, changes as right and save this. Control S and recompile this. Before that, it close and recompile and run this program. See the difference. Now the applet display the buttons from right to left. See the difference. The applet display the button from right to left. Now I change this as default. I just change this as default. The default is center. And Control S to save and recompile this program. See the difference. You see the difference? All buttons are aligned in the center. All buttons are aligned in the center. Just see the difference. All buttons are aligned in the center. Set the layout using set layout method and flow layout. Flow layout, the default is center. If you want to set align right, flow layout dot red. If you want to center dot left, flow layout dot left. If you want to set flow layout dot leading, just change this right as leading. Trailing, just change this right as trailing. You can try this program in your system. The program will be displayed in the description of this video. Thank you. Thank you. For any question, comment below and also subscribe this video.